Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews Now 2, and the question today is, are you spending way too much money on office products? Probably. So let's sort it out straight away. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so in today's video we're taking a look at how to save money when you're buying office for your PC, for your laptop, whatever the case may be. Now most of you know, if you're watching this video already and you're a subscriber, you'll know that I am a complete cheapskate. Hence some of the things on the desk at the moment: cheap motherboard, cheap power supply, so it would make sense to save money on software. And today we're going to do just that. Now, for those of you who don't know, we have been using premiumcdkeys.com for many years, and there's probably a lot of you watching this who have bought CD keys from them before for Windows 10, Windows 11, Office, Professional Plus, etc, etc. And now they've started selling a new key for the Microsoft Office 2021 edition, the Pro Plus, which you can save an absolute ton of money on. Now, if you want to, pause the video right now, open up another tab in your browser, do a quick search for the prices of it. Now, don't be giving me the eBay prices, because we all know what those keys tend to be like. They're a little bit hit and miss. So if you want to actually buy a key which is pretty much going to work 100% of the time, and if it doesn't, and you've got some really good support that you can fall back on should there be any issues, and you've also got legit downloads from legitimate sources and all that kind of good stuff, and keys that actually will activate and register with Microsoft, what more could you want? Or maybe to save some money, well, we can definitely do that as well. And these keys at the moment are retailing for in the region of around about 15 euros. We'll take a look on the website now and go through it. I've actually got a PC which I'm building at the moment, which needs Office on it, so we're going to go ahead and get that all set up and save ourselves a ton of money in the process. So let's get on with it. Okay, so this is our new installation, our Windows 10 installation. It doesn't matter if you've got Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows, whatever the case may be, it's going to be absolutely fine with any of them. So what you want to do is to open up a web browser, and in the top here, just type in Premium CD Keys. We've got most of it there already. Now, the important thing for me is if you put in on the end, Mike's Unboxing. Now, that is important for me because I do get a small kickback from purchases, but you do as well. It's a two-way thing, so I get a little bit of commission and you get a better price, approximately somewhere between 5 to 7.5% of a discount. So yeah, every little helps, especially when we're trying to save as much money as possible. So premiumcdkeys.com/Mike's Unboxing. There's links in the video description as always anyway, and this will take you to premiumcdkeys.com. So if you've not seen it before, pretty simple, straightforward. It is pretty much what it says on the tins, Premium CD Keys. So you can get your Windows 11 Pro if you want to, but we actually want some software. So we're going to go and find ourselves. Obviously, if you want to, you can get the older version. So you've got Premium Plus 2019, but we want the latest and greatest version. So we're going to scroll right down to here we are, Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021 Retail Key. So we can click on that. And there you go. The price, I was a little bit out. It's actually 15.99 euros. So actually still a fantastic price, and pretty much about half the price of other keys which I've searched online. But please do let us know if you find a key of a similar quality online for a better price. Always interested to hear that. And also let us know if you think this is considerably cheaper than what you've paid already. That is also something we'd like to know. So all you need to do is work out how many copies you want. You can choose that here with the plus and minus button, and then all you need to do is add to cart. Once we've done that, we can hit on checkout. And as you can see, because we've already gone to the Mike's Unboxing link on here, they've already taken off your discount. Now, it's not a great deal, it's only just over €1, but like I said, every little helps, and that brings it down to €14.88, which equates into English money, pounds, pence, somewhere in the region, I think, of about £10, which I think is still pretty darn good value for money. Anyway, so from here, all you need to do is to check out. You can use PayPal, so again, that's a safety thing. If you want to use PayPal, you can do. So if anything should go wrong with your transaction or you're unhappy in any way, then you can obviously go through PayPal and claim your money back. But I don't think you're ever going to need to, and I certainly have not heard of anybody who has used the service having to do so. But it's there as an extra precaution should you need to. So just put in your details, or just use the express checkout, and then you'll get the information emailed to your email address. At which point you get some links, and also you'll get your codes as well. Generally, this will happen almost instantaneously, depending on the time of day. Normally, we get ours come through in less than 5 minutes. So by the time you've boiled the kettle, had a quick cup of tea, you should be ready to go, maybe even sooner. So anyway, that's how to order it. So don't forget to use the code Mike's Unboxing, you will get your discount. You can, if you want to, just go to premiumcdkeys.com, and then if you forget to put the Mike's Unboxing on the end, you can put that in the discount code box there. Just type it in and it will add it on for you. When you get your actual email confirmation come through, there'll be a link in it as well, which will have your download information and also your keys. Now, obviously, I'm going to be blurring these out for this particular video because I don't want you using my keys, but you just get a nice simple download section on the side, and it'll take you to the relevant places to download your ISOs to do the installation. Click on those and then go over to your downloads folder. In our downloads folder, we can see this is what we've been doing to set up the PC, Radeon software, Chrome setup, etc. obviously. And then we've got our Pro Plus 2021 Retail, which is a disk image file. So all we're going to do is double click on that, and then we can click on Setup. This will get the user account control, so Microsoft Office, click yes. And basically this is pretty much it. We can almost sit back and relax now because it'll just go on and do its own thing. When you open up Office for the first time after the installation, it will ask for registration or just to activate the product, which should go through straight away. You can, of course, if you want to, you can add your Microsoft account to it if you wish to. This is a one-time purchase. You only buy it, and it is a one install as well. So you can't go and then install this on multiple other PCs. It will basically deactivate your account if you try and do that. Although, obviously, your mileage will vary, but for the sake of around about 10 to 15 euros or pounds, I think this is actually fantastic value for money. So essentially, that is pretty much it. That is all you need to do to save yourself an absolute ton of money on Microsoft Office and also Microsoft Windows should you need it. There we go, so that didn't take very long at all. It says you're all set, Office is installed now, and you can click on Start to view your apps. So as you can see, they're all going to be populated on there. One thing I would suggest to do, the very first time you run one of the apps, if you right click on Word, for example, here, and we're going to choose More, and then Run as Administrator. If you do that the first time, then you shouldn't get nagged by activation afterwards. So we're going to click Yes. And it will say, do you want to make this your default? We're going to say yes. And change the apps. At this point now, we can enter our product key, which was emailed to us. So you can go ahead, insert your product key, and that is going to be pretty much it. You'll be registered. And then accept the license agreement. And then choose your preferred format. I'm going to go with OpenXML. And there we go. That's it. We're done. Now, obviously, if you want to, at the top there, you can sign in with your Microsoft account, all that kind of good stuff. If you've got a Microsoft account connected to the PC, you can do that. But that is it. Click on New. We can create a new document, and there's loads of templates, etc., which you can use, which can be very handy. But yeah, there we go. So this includes a load of programs. So we get Word, we've got PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, Access, Excel, etc., etc. And I think it also installs Skype for Business and OneDrive if it's not already installed, which you can pretty much remove if you want to, or just deactivate. So there we go, pretty easy way of installing Office 2021 Pro Plus. You get all the deal stuff with it, so you get your Word, your Excel, PowerPoint, etc., etc. All those things which a lot of us tend to use, and if you're at school or college or just in a workplace, pretty much it's expected that you're going to use Microsoft Office documents, although Google Docs are catching up. But for me, when it comes to emails, I don't think anything actually beats Outlook. Let me know what you think about that in the comments section below. So there you go, save a ton of money, and also don't forget to share this with your friends if they're potentially going to be buying stuff, and also share it with other YouTubers. If you're finding other YouTubers which are promoting CD keys which are a lot more expensive than these, let them know. Maybe they don't know that they can save money. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but I think it's best that we can all save some money along the line if we share the content. So anyway, that's enough of my shilling. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.